Hello, in this video we will know more about gems by one curve. Okay, it's a command in Jewelry tab and it allows to create stones on a curve. Okay, let me show you. This is the main dialog. I will create just a curve to show you how it works, and later we will see in a more complex sample. Then basically, first of all, we need to click a curve. Okay, we click the curve and show us a stone. Okay, here we have a list. We can modify the quantity. Okay, for example, we want 5 stones. Okay, and automatically show us the result. Okay, we can modify obviously the size, 1.5. Okay, and also we can add more stones. For example, I want now 2 of 1.7, for example. Okay, then I can change and select 3. Okay, and now I want to add 2 of 2 millimeters. Okay, here we have our stones. Other interesting parameters are the distance between the stones. We can modify the distance. Also, we can move the objects by normal. In the case that we have a surface, move normal to the surface. In this case, move normal to the C-plane. Then we can move by normal to adapt the Z level of the stones. Okay. Other interesting thing is, if you see the stone, adjust the stone to the start of the curve. Okay, but in some cases, okay, as you can see now, when I click, start, okay, from the center of the stone. Okay. Other interesting thing is, for example, in this case is too much simple, but I can define I want to start from this point, okay, and start to place stones from this point. Okay. Obviously, we can adjust to the left, to the center, to the right, adjust to all the segment of the curve. Also, we can align the stones to the curve. Okay, and in this case are in the center, but we can align on the top. Okay, easy, right? Okay, and also we can obviously modify the position. Okay, let me show you other sample. Okay, we come to Jewelry tab, Gem Studio, Gems by Curve, and we select this curve, and we can define, for example, I want to add 11 stones. Okay, we will define in this case 0.7 the size of the stones. Okay, and we can modify the distance 0.2. Okay, in this case I want to start center to the start point of the curve. Okay, great. I think it's a really easy way to place a stone. Obviously, if the stones are just one size, it's easy to do with any command, okay, using dynamic array, for example, too. But here is really flexible to use several sizes and adjust the Z. I think it's really interesting. Obviously, when we click, we have all the stones here. Okay, and in the future, we can define if we want to modify the size. Okay, or we want to define other kind of stone. Okay, great. That's all about gems by curve. Thanks for watching.